Hey guys, welcome back to the Iridium 242 channel. This is your new host, Matt. Sadly, after George's passing, I am having to take this over. I know I got some big shoes to fill, and over the past couple years, he's taught me quite a bit. So this is the new battle box we got, and something we're going to start doing is every month when we get one of these bad boys in, we're going to have a new person come in and open them up so you guys get the honest reaction. This week we're going to have Hondo opening up this box. Again, be a little patient with him. He's never been on camera before. I'm going to try to edit it up the best I can. But every time that they open up one of these boxes, they get to keep everything that's in it. It does come with the pamphlet. It shows you everything that's inside of it. But Hondo's going to run through that with you guys and kind of get everything going. Appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Iridium 242 channel. My name is Hondo, and I've had the privilege to come and review this battle box. I've had the privilege to be around George, and he was a good dude. Just want to thank all you who follow him on this channel, and we hope that you guys enjoy watching these videos again. So let's get into this battle box. Okay. Battle box. And our very first item here is a glow-in-the-dark caution zip tape. It's waterproof, antibacterial, non-abrasive, durable, allergy-free, anti-slip. I mean, me personally, if I could think of many boots to use this for, when say I go out there backpacking at nighttime. Our next item is an X.100 survival lighter, tactical, emergency fire starter stored inside. It's waterproof. And it's got a little compartment, fire starter, plug stored inside. Let's check this out. Gotta say, I like it. Definitely. Always gotta have a lighter, just in case. Never know. Sure, there's a lot of people out there that don't know how to start a fire. If you do, kudos. If you don't, well, it's a good option here. No O-ring, keeps it watertight. And like a little O-ring there, locks it in place. A little fire starter plug inside. I'll put this on my bike plate. For sure. And let's see our next item. This is gauze, like ace bandage. Could think of many reasons why to carry this in backpacks, You have like a wound or something, you gotta treat it. You gotta keep it covered from infection, you know. Anyhow, definitely keep something like that, Our next item is a simple shot Scout X slingshot. Mhm. This is one of my personal favorites, growing up. I've always, from my childhood, I've always had one. This here is actually more modern, of course. Most we had, of course, was wooden, but very effective. This one seems very, very modern, very good. Can't wait to try one of these out. Comes with a little key. See, comes with little metal ball bearings, little paint ball bearings. You get your set of bandage, your set of The slings also comes with a big bag of, clay ammo, kill a bird, you know, out there, something you gotta carry with you too, so not using slingshot pretty deadly. And comes with no targets as well, spare targets. On the next item is a Pod Extreme Power on Demand High Performance Automotive Jump Starter and Power Pack. Uh, the Podex Extreme Automotive Jump Starter and Power Pack is an innovative, multifunction, industrial-grade automotive 12-volt jump starter for gas or diesel engines. Extremely powerful. This jump starter is ideal for any 12-volt system in need of power boost. Cool little carry case. Let's see what's inside. Got cool little jumper cables. Comes with the little C-type charger for the device. You don't have it. Just gonna plug in these bad boys right here. Uh, got looks pretty durable. It's fully charged. Cool. I could think of many reasons I like to carry one of these in my car, or even storage unit like this alone in your backpack. Got your C-type charger, two USBs, one's fast charge, little LED lights. The last one is a brother by BSD. It only paid for advertisements for it. But nice little knife, a nice little filter. Good little quick release on it. Felt smooth, no pressure needed. Overall length is 7.5 inches. Blade length is 3.5 inches, and it weighs about 107 grams. Stainless steel handle with McCarthy scale. VG10 stainless steel blade. Deep carry pocket clip. Liner lock. And there you have it. This was BattleBox. And once again, thank you guys for watching. And doing this in memory of George, also known as Radium 242. And thank you guys for watching. And just want to wish the next person that keeps this lamp going. That you guys enjoy, and hope we just can keep this channel going. And thank you guys again.
Alright folks, that was this week's Battle Box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's going to be a little different than what George was doing, but we still have all the links and everything on the Iridium 242 website, including the freeze-dried foods And next week we're going to have videos of me reviewing different products we have coming in, as well as some old stuff like the pack out in the Jeep, and some ham radio videos coming your way as well. I appreciate you guys stopping in and giving me an opportunity. This will get a little bit smoother the more we get down this road. And we'll catch you guys next time.